Now, this question simply wants us to simplify this expression. But the aim of this question is to see how you as a student can treat this expression. You must be careful with the brackets and also with the negative signs. Watch how I'll treat them. My 5b plus a plus b all squared all over a minus b all squared will be equals to 5 into b is minus 7 plus a plus b. Now that will be b. A is 3, that's 3 minus 7 all squared. Don't forget the square. All over 3 again, that's a minus, but this time is minus 7 all squared. Now if you see how I have placed it, in place of the b, I will replace the b with minus 7. Now this will now be equals to 5 times minus 7, that's minus 35 plus, now I have 3 minus 7, that's minus 4 all squared. Note that the minus 4 and the 4 and its minus both are squared. Now here I will have 3 minus minus 7. Minus minus 7 becomes plus. That will be 3 plus 7 all squared. So that this now is the same thing as minus 35 plus, watch this minus 4. Don't leave the minus outside and square the 4 alone. Some students will make a mistake and square the 4 alone, but rather you square the minus. Minus times minus becomes plus. 4 times 4 becomes 16 all over 3 plus 7, that's 10 all squared. So that this expression now can now be written as 35 minus 35 plus 16. That's minus 19, if I am not mistaken. That's minus 19 over 100. Because 10 squared is the same thing as 100. That will be the same thing as 0.19 with a negative sign. I think that's option B. No, option C. That's option C. That's option C.